Walt Disney World is celebrating its 50th birthday this week, and they will be kicking off a 18-month celebration. Watch for some of the new things coming to Walt Disney World for the most magical celebration on Earth. And make sure to subscribe for Disney vacation planning tips.
Showcase suggestions, where I share travel tips in lists of 5 to help make traveling with kids a little easier.
My name's Christina, and I love planning Disney vacations so much. I made it a career and started a business to help families navigate the ins and outs of planning Disney trips. So much has changed since the park opened in 1971, and here are only 5 of the new things coming to the park in the next 18 months. The first thing is the iridescent excitement. To celebrate, the whole park is getting new dazzling decorations, new looks for Minnie, Mickey, and friends, and magical touches at all 4 theme parks. The heart of the celebration, though, is the cast, and the cast will be sharing magic across Walt Disney World. They're ready to create unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. In years past, celebrations like this, cast members were given the ability to make some extra magic, so I can't wait to see some of the ways that they're going to brighten guest day for this celebration. The third thing coming for the anniversary is Remy's Ratatouille adventure. You'll feel like you shrunk down to Chef Remy size for a 4D culinary adventure based on the Disney and Pixar film Ratatouille. I was able to ride this in Paris, and it's so much fun. It's a combination of a trackless ride vehicle and 3D screens, so it creates a super unique experience. If you're thinking about visiting Walt Disney World for the celebration, I highly recommend downloading my free guide, 5 Easy Steps to a Disney Vacation Without Overwhelm. There is so much that goes into planning a trip, and this breaks it down into 5 easy steps with a printable timeline, so it's manageable and you don't miss anything. Harmonious is the 4th thing coming starting on October 1st. I've been looking forward to this since they announced it at D23 back in 2019. I was never a big fan of illuminations, and I thought Epcot needed something as spectacular as the park is, and this is promising to be just that, with fireworks, fountains, magnificent lighting, visual effects, and multimedia magic. I don't know what multimedia magic means, but it has me excited. It's celebrating the countries coming together as one, harmonious. The big surprise that we didn't know was coming is Enchantment. It's a new fireworks show coming to the Magic Kingdom. It's inspiring everyone to believe in the magic. Disney's Enchantment will feature captivating Disney music, enhanced lighting, stunning fireworks, and for the first time, immersive projection effects that extend from Cinderella's Castle all the way down Main Street, USA. So no matter where you stand, you're gonna be in a great spot. And that's happening at the Magic Kingdom starting October 1st. Don't forget to download the 5 Easy Steps guide using the link below. Click the bell to be notified when more Disney planning tip videos go live every Monday and Thursday. And don't forget, take a break from the busy.
Need help planning your next family vacation? Visit us at showcasetheworld.com to request a quote or schedule a free vacation consultation. Want more great travel tips? You'll find those there too.